Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, in-depth specifications, and top features of the newest vehicles on the market. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta, a car that continues to uphold its reputation for reliability, efficiency, and practicality while adding modern touches to keep up with the competition. The 2025 Jetta maintains its sleek and elegant design, featuring a refined front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that give it a sportier appearance. The slight changes in its exterior styling make it look more premium while keeping its familiar silhouette. Under the hood, the Jetta is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering an improved balance between power and fuel efficiency. This engine produces a respectable amount of horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Whether you are commuting in the city or taking long highway drives, the Jetta ensures a refined and comfortable experience. The transmission options include a standard 6-speed manual for those who love to engage more with their driving and an 8-speed automatic for effortless shifting. Volkswagen has fine-tuned the suspension to enhance ride comfort while maintaining the composed handling that drivers appreciate. Inside, the Jetta offers an upscale cabin with high-quality materials and a clean, driver-focused layout. Soft touch surfaces and well-placed controls make it feel more refined than its price tag suggests. The seats are designed for all-day comfort, with available leather upholstery adding a touch of luxury. The digital cockpit display provides crisp graphics and customizable views, allowing drivers to access important information with ease. The infotainment system is equipped with a responsive touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims come with a premium sound system, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof, making the cabin feel more modern and inviting. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Jetta, with an advanced suite of driver assistance features designed to enhance confidence on the road. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features work together to help prevent accidents and provide added security for both the driver and passengers. Volkswagen has also improved the structural integrity of the Jetta, offering better crash protection and occupant safety. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the Jetta, making it an economical choice for daily driving. The turbocharged engine is designed to optimize fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. Whether you are navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Jetta delivers impressive miles per gallon, helping you save on fuel costs in the long run. The eco-friendly driving modes further enhance efficiency by adjusting throttle response and transmission shifts for optimal fuel economy. For those who want a sportier experience, the Jetta GLI variant provides a more dynamic driving feel. It comes with a more powerful engine, sport-tuned suspension, and performance-focused features that make it an engaging sedan for enthusiasts. The GLI offers a bold exterior design with unique badging, red accents, and larger wheels that give it a more aggressive stance. Inside, the GLI adds sport seats, contrast stitching, and a flat-bottom steering wheel for a more performance-oriented atmosphere. Technology is another area where the Jetta shines, with intuitive controls and smart connectivity features that enhance convenience. The infotainment system is designed to be user-friendly, with sharp graphics and quick response times. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure that devices stay powered on the go. Voice commands allow for hands-free operation, reducing distractions while driving. Volkswagen has also included over-the-air update capabilities, ensuring that the system remains up to date with the latest software improvements. The practicality of the Jetta extends to its spacious trunk and well-thought-out storage solutions. The sedan offers ample cargo space for luggage, groceries, or weekend getaways, making it a great option for families and professionals alike. The rear seats can be folded down to expand cargo capacity further, providing versatility for various storage needs. The cabin is designed with a focus on passenger comfort, offering generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta continues to be a strong contender in the compact sedan segment, combining efficiency, comfort, and modern technology in a well-rounded package. Its refined driving dynamics, advanced safety features, and premium interior make it a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and stylish daily driver. The addition of new technology and design enhancements further strengthens its appeal, ensuring that it remains competitive against rivals. Whether you prioritize fuel economy, interior comfort, or smart technology, the Jetta delivers a balanced experience that meets various driving needs. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more car insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We bring you the latest automotive content, expert reviews, and detailed comparisons to help you make informed decisions. Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more exciting car videos here on Motorsports Mania.